Did you know you have a fast brain and a slow brain? I spend a lot of energy and breath convincing students in my movement classes to slow down. And sometimes, no matter how often I say it, some people just don't, or won't, or can't, or don't know the difference between fast and slow. I see students struggle all the time with this simple directive to move slowly, but maybe it's not so simple. The paradox is that moving slowly is a secret key that accelerates faster learning and outcomes. Moving slowly is a crucial strategy for learning new information and accelerating changes in your brain. What is it about slow? Why is slow important? And why is it often so challenging to do? Nobel Prize-winning psychologist Daniel Kahneman has a wonderful book called Thinking Fast and Slow, in which he describes two systems of your brain, the fast system and the slow system. I call it your two-headed brain. You can think of your two-headed brain as supporting your one purpose, organizing you to move through your unique life story as you fulfill your role on this earth. These two heads both have very important jobs. As you become more attuned to what they do, you'll recognize them in yourself and more easily leverage them to your benefit. Daniel Kahneman calls your slow-thinking brain System 2. This is the system you tend to think of as a real you, and what I like to call the director. The director works thoughtfully, deliberately, and attentively. She's a responder, a visionary, a guide. She takes her time to find solutions to complex problems. She works through problems step by step, which requires concentration and mental effort. You, in the job of the director, hold a vision. You carry out the intention, and you orchestrate the direction of your own intended actions. You, as the director, have the intense role of observing what's going on, noticing the unusual, guiding what you want to happen, and deciding if and when you want it to stop. This is a job that requires attention. If you're distracted, the show can still go on, but you're no longer directing it. Here's an example of what your director's mind does well. Answer this. Did you come up with the solution instantly? I'm guessing no. Maybe you felt your mind register that you're not going to instantly work out this problem right now, you need a minute, unless you're a math whiz. This is how your inner director works. You observe something that catches your attention, and it requires attention to work it out. As you just experienced, it's not a fast process. It's a slow one. Being the director requires conscious attention and awareness. You do this all the time, like when you're picking out something to wear to a party, or deciding on a recipe to cook for dinner, driving in the blinding rain, writing a thoughtful thank you card, or managing your social diplomacy on Facebook. These kinds of tasks require you to slow down and pay attention to the job at hand. When you're acting from your inner director, you're also absorbing new experiential data, the source of your attention, and integrating it as the knowledge bank you can draw from in the future. This is how you learn new skills. Here at the movie studio, we use the principle of moving slow with attention in order to replace unconscious movement habits that are maladaptive, cause pain, and disorder. We replace those maladaptive movements with new movement skills that are organized, functional, and adaptive. The purpose for moving slow is to awaken your consciousness, your inner director. It's like being here now, pressing the on switch to your life force. So here's one good thing for you to take away today and practice. Take a 10-minute break to be slow. Do something that you enjoy, like taking a walk, water your plants, hang out with your pet, or move gently on the floor. Slow down and be completely present to the experience. Notice the sensations you feel, what you touch, what you smell, what you see, what you hear. And then notice if you feel recharged, more of a sense of vitality. Don't miss the next episode to discover the surprising other half of your two-headed brain. I'll see you next time. If you're enjoying the content here on MOOVYSHOW, did you know you can sign up to be on our exclusive movie A-list? Go to the link to subscribe at MOOVYstudio.com. We've got personal experiments happening every week that you can join in on. That way, you won't miss out on getting your one good thing you can put to use right away to change your habits, your brain, and your life. Plus, we'll give you updates on all things just for our followers. You're worthy of moving into a meaningful, enjoyable life. We're here to help you do it.